Welcome to Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay. And here's a look at another one of our great vehicles for sale. And comes equipped with leather steering wheel with auto tilt-away, full speed forward collision warning, adaptive cruise control with stop, power sunroof, third row seating, 825 watt amplifier, rain sensitive windshield wipers, advanced brake assist, lane departure warning, black roof rails, and has less than 20,000 miles on the odometer. Saving you more since 1904. The Spitzer family of dealerships is proud to provide our friends and neighbors with the best purchasing and owning experience in Ohio. We have a friendly staff and provide a fun atmosphere for our guests. And we offer the best value for the lowest price. So give us a call or stop by Spitzer Buick GMC Findlay today, where our world revolves around you.